4.1 Solving equations. To solve an equation means to find the value of the variable that makes the statement true. To solve a one-step equation, isolate the variable by performing the opposite operation. For example, x plus 4 is equal to 7. So x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 7 minus 4. This leaves you with x, which is equal to 3. This is also the root of the equation. In a two-step equation, there is more than one term on one side. So isolate the variable term first by adding or subtracting, then divide by the coefficient of the variable term. For example, 2x minus 7 is equal to 9. You would first do the opposite operation. So 2x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 9 plus 7. You will get 2x, which is equal to 16. Next, you will divide 2 by both sides to find x, which is equal to 8.
4.2 Solving equations involving multiple terms. To solve an equation involving multiple terms, collect variable terms on one side of the equation and constant terms on the other. For example, x minus 4 equals 2x minus 8. Then, you bring x to the same side. X minus 2x equals negative 8 plus 4. Then, you solve for x. Negative x is equal to negative 4. X equals 4. To solve an equation involving brackets, you may need to expand the brackets first. 4x plus 4 bracket x plus 2 bracket is equal to 8. For this equation, you may need to use distributive property. 4 times x is then 4x, and then 4 times 2 is then 8. So 4x plus 8 is equal to 8. So then bring x to one side and 4x is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. 4.3 Solving equations involving fractions. Take a look at this equation below. X minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 8 divided by 2. To find the answer, first multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator, which in this case is 4. 4 multiplied by x minus 3 divided by 4 equals to 8 over 2 multiplied by 4. For the left side, the multiplication of 4 cancels out with the division of 4, leaving you with x minus 3. And on the right side, you end up with 8 multiplied by 2. Then, you remove the negative 3 on the left side by adding 3. So x is equal to 8 times 2 plus 3. To solve this, you then multiply 8 by 2, which is 16, and then add 3, which is 19. So x is equal to 19.